This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone overheating and message pop up on the screen. iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. All section is heating, feel like iPhone is burning on fire. If the iPhone circuit is short, cause heating. And if the phone was on power on condition, then this message is on the screen. Here you can see there is a prior repair sign. I already removed the Wi-Fi chip. This fault was mostly from the side of the Wi-Fi chip. After removing the Wi-Fi chip, the problem was still the same. Then I decided to make video. While the iPhone is open, you can see the no service message pop up on the screen. No service message was shown on the previous. Then I decided to remove BBPMU. After removing BBPMU, the problem looks solved. Means there is some problem under the BBPMU circuit. After diagnosis found, the pin below BBPMU is short. The short was found on the line is PP 1.8 volt LDO 15 line. Let's clean the BBPMU pad and put the IC in the correct position. Now, finally found after inserting the BBPMU, the problem was still same, means this line was shot from other side. Now finally found the fault was from that section. After removing that IC, short is removed, means some IC have a problem. Clean all pad and I put these 3 IC from donor board. Finally sorting was gone and the problem was fixed. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video, subscribe to support us. Here you can see no SIM shows instead of no service, and IMEI also shown on asterisk has 06 has, means network related problem was solved and the phone overheating problem was fixed too. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.